Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda Civic starter. First, you'll need to confirm the starter is the actual problem. Listen for a single click when turning the key or if nothing happens at all. Always check your battery first. A weak battery can mimic starter issues. Make sure the terminals are clean and tight. Once confirmed, we can proceed with the repair. To properly diagnose, you can try a simple test. With the car in park and emergency brake on, carefully jump the starter solenoid terminals with a screwdriver. If it cranks, the issue might be elsewhere. Also, use a multimeter to check for 12 volts at the main starter cable. Having the right tools like a 10 mm and 12 mm wrench makes the job much easier. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more DIY car tips. On another note, after a messy car repair, wouldn't it be great to come home to a spotless house? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Before you start, always disconnect the negative battery cable for safety. Next, you'll need to unbolt the electrical connections from the starter, usually a main power wire and a smaller signal wire. Then, remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the starter to the transmission. Once free, carefully pull out the old starter and install the new one, reversing the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.